say baby. I just like to take the time to tell you as fine as wine, and you are on my mind. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. I see you working that 9 to 5.
Hey folks, yours truly, Gowns and Glenn. Thank you once again for tuning in to the virtual Taste and Sounds and Soul presentation brought to you by the Las Vegas Black Image Magazine. It's happening right now. It's a virtual presentation as we celebrate art, as we celebrate food and history. So tune in and tell a friend.
I'm funky fresh, you're the shit. Girl, it's split. Don't let him miss you.
These days, takes more than just a sexy walk to turn my head. Maybe from all these years in the game, I've been around the finest ones in the world, but it wasn't enough to keep me down, stay with the same. You came in a different way, didn't even know what to say. Time with you was on a different plane. More than enough is what you got, baby.
We're here at Family Soul, has some of the best soul food in Las Vegas, located on Rainbow and Lake Mead. What are we going to be making today?
Today we're going to make what we call a soul food wrap. It's our signature dish.
Soul food wrap, there you go.
We use a healthy spinach tortilla here. We use fried chicken parts that we put in the inside of the wrap as well. Then we add a scoop of those yams, get those in that good sweet. And after we do the yams, we add the greens in there. We got the collard greens, perfectly seasoned. One other thing I do is I put this special sauce in it. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the sauce right on top. Roll it just like a burrito. That's the yams, greens, fried chicken, in the spinach tortilla. We call it the soul food wrap.
Family Soul for doing their thing. Appreciate you so much, and we look forward to seeing you
Always a pleasure.
In the community.
Hello, I'm Kenyatta Lewis, Executive Director of Supplier Diversity and Sustainable Procurement for MGM Resorts International. Our supplier diversity program is an industry first, with more than 20 years of partnering with local businesses in the Las Vegas community. Our local businesses, friends, and colleagues deserve to be recognized. And what better way to do this than with the Taste and Sounds of Soul and Black Image honors? Thank you all for making a difference. Congratulations.
Let all the people see out. Whoa, whoa. Let all the people see out. Whoa, whoa. You say, let all the people say, oh, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. One more time, say, let all the people say, oh, yeah, whoa, whoa. Here we go. A new day has begun. We all have overcome. Now let us shout it out. A sound of victory. Let heaven hear you say. With the voice of triumph. Now let us shout it out. That I have been set free. Let all the people say, whoa.
Hey, this is Charles Turow
And Kimberly Bailey Turow.
with the 2021 virtual Taste and Sounds of Soul, brought to you by MGM Resorts International and Intermountain Healthcare.
And Channel 13, we hope you're enjoying the virtual Taste and Sounds of Soul on the Fremont Street Experience, but we're soon to be back in 2022. We are so pleased to introduce to you the 2021 Las Vegas Black Image Magazine honorees. Enjoy.
Yeah, yeah, happy people, happy people, happy people, happy people. Let them feel, let them feel. Happy people makes the world go round and round, round and round. Happy people turn the frown to a smile. Happy people don't worry about
I'm Nevada Attorney General Aaron Ford, and I just want to say thank you so much to Las Vegas Black Image Magazine for this honor and for this recognition. It means a lot coming from you. You are a pillar in our community and in our society. And Kimberly and Charles, you have done so much for us, and I really appreciate the opportunity to receive this beautiful recognition from you. It means a lot, and I'm hoping that I can continue to live up to the ideals that you have bestowed upon me through this award. And again, thank you so very much.
Don't worry about a thing. People take loving.
And we're here with Pandora, the owner of Pandora's Burgers.
Hey, how you doing? Thank you, and welcome to Pandora's Kitchen.
You're known here for the Pandora Burger.
All kind of burgers, pastrami burgers, double cheeseburgers, chili burgers. I know it's a burger place, but I want to speak to you about our soul food Sunday that we have here. But we specialize in catfish. We get down with the seafood gumbo, oxtails, jambalaya. We have it here at Pandora's every Sunday. Well, Taste the Sound and Soul is the reason why I'm here today. I started off with you guys. You called and asked would I like to be a vendor in your event you were having downtown, and I said sure. Started catering. I landed contracts with the city of North Las Vegas, with Las Vegas, and then so on and so on. And then I said, hey, let's open up a place, and here we are today.
You big and you bad, so then heal. Heal like diabetes put a hit out on you. Heal like cancer is packed in missiles and you ain't bulletproof. Heal like chemtrails have sent for you. Those metal clouds of parasites to penetrate your mucosal membrane, basically half the diseases you claim because you big and you bad. So then heal. Heal like your house is made of straw and the wind of your ego is blowing it down. Heal like playing with the golden locks of this world is stripping your crown. Heal like unforgiveness is the death penalty. And that's just not how you go, because you big and you bad. So then heal. I need you to get aggressive about your health. Instead of mismanaging whole hearts here to help you heal, I need you to help. I need you to dig up those gifts and stop feeling sorry for yourself. I need you to cease teaching pessimism instead of edifying someone else, because you big, baby, and you bad. Now just heal.
Hello, I'm Tony Gladney, Vice President of National Diversity Relations for MGM Resorts International. It is truly an honor for MGM Resorts to, once again, be a sponsor of Taste and Sounds of Soul and Black Image Honors. As a leader in the industry and a longstanding community supporter, we as a company keep diversity and inclusion as a top priority. Congratulations to all of the recipients who, as local leaders, contribute to the growth and diversity of Las Vegas. Here's to making a positive impact together. Thank you.
We're here with Chuck of John Mule Roadkill Grill.
If you remember correctly, we weren't even called Roadkill Grill back then. We were called John Mall's Meat. And you're the one who came up and said, what kind of name is John Mall's Meat? And I said, it's actually Roadkill Grill.
You did tell me that.
And the next day, you guys put that little banner up there that said Roadkill Grill on it.
That's right.
That's how we ended up with the handle, Roadkill Grill. Yeah, I noticed too, when we did Taste the Sound of Soul on Fremont Street, all the tourists that came just to go to Taste the Sound of Soul.
Sure.
It was phenomenal. And we had people from all over. And, they come out and visit us, throughout the year. If it wasn't for you guys, we would have never had the exposure that we've had.
They smell that barbecue and they hear the music and they come each and every year looking for you. And so, man, it's just awesome.
Oh, we appreciate it.
Come on. I cannot explain it, but I don't want you to listen. Can I contain it, but I gotta let you go. Hold on, it's now an issue. Now you can blame it on whatever. It's now official. Now you can blame it on the truth. You think I won't, think that I won't tell you so.
Hi, this is Galaxy Glenn. I'm excited, my friends, because the Taste and Sounds and Soul is back again. Next year in 2022, we'll be back at the Fremont Experience, and we hope to see you again for the Taste and Sounds and Soul. Thank you for tuning in. God bless, and take care.
Sugar pie, honey bun, let's have some fun. What's the issue? I'm fucking fresh, and you're the shit. Girl, it's split.